Hey there, dryer owners. If you're staring at that frustrating error code E03 on your Bosch dryer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this code means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This is especially timely for 2025 models, but the advice works for most Bosch units. Let's get your dryer spinning again. First off, what does error code E03 actually mean? In Bosch dryers, E03 typically signals an issue with the temperature sensor or a problem related to the dryer's heating system. It might pop up if the dryer isn't reaching the right temperature or if there's a safety override kicking in. Don't worry, it's often something you can handle at home without calling a pro right away. Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error could be triggered by a faulty temperature sensor, blocked vents that prevent proper airflow, or even a buildup of lint and debris inside the dryer. Electrical issues, like a loose wire or a tripped circuit, can also play a role. If you've recently moved your dryer or haven't cleaned it in a while, that might be the culprit. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your dryer from the power source and waiting about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear minor glitches. Next, check the door latch to ensure it's closing properly. Sometimes, a misaligned door causes this error. Then, inspect the vent hose for any blockages. Use a vacuum or a brush to clear out lint. If that doesn't work, examine the temperature sensor located near the heating element. You might need to clean it or test it with a multimeter if you're handy. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more serious problem like a defective part. In that case, consult your Bosch user manual or contact a certified technician to avoid any risks. Remember, safety first, always disconnect power before tinkering. There you have it, folks. By following these tips, you should be able to banish that E03 error and get back to fresh laundry. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.